Cheese.
What? Oh, she's in her little spot.
Where's Daphne? Oh, there she is in her little house. How do you like it in there? There's Denise in her little cubicle. She likes it because the wall goes up. Gets rid of me. So you got a little cubicle here. Oh. And then like that. We're in the front. So that's it. You got lucky. These are kind of cool. See? And reclines. Got all these little buttons. And they give you fancy headsets. They give you a little bag of goodies. I don't know what's in here. Anyway. Give you some toothbrushes and stuff, I guess. And then see, you got this big thing under here. And then the whole bed reclines. It's just like a seat in a movie theater. Turn on the lights. I don't know. Oh. I don't know. It doesn't want to work. I don't know. Anyway.